Hi, it's a bright blue sky day in East Tennessee. This is Bob Geltling with Sail Away Homes and Land in Kingston, Tennessee on 39,000 acre Watts Bar Lake. Today we're at the overlook on Bowman Bend. This is a small subdivision of 4 multi-acre lakeview lots that have spectacular panoramic views of Watts Bar Lake. Today we're going to be talking about this one in particular. It's lot 3. It's 6.94 acres. Now, almost 7 acres. That's not 7 acres you need to maintain. These are pretty much privacy acres, acreage where you could hunt, acreage that protects you from seeing your neighbors or really anything else. You're in a world all of your own out on lot 3. We're approved for a 3-bedroom septic. The water and electric lines have already been brought up to the lot and are available right here at the edge of the driveway. So we're going to walk back now. It's about a 150-foot walk back here to where the home site is. But wait till you see what we see back there. Okay, we've walked about halfway out to where I would put the home site. You can see it in the distance back there. We're on like a peninsula. On this side, it drops all the way down. It's about 400 feet down there to the road. And then as you go around on this side, it drops down to about the same amount. Not 400 feet all the way down, but there's a little valley down there, and this lot goes from valley to valley on either side. So we're kind of on a raised peninsula that gives you the ultimate in privacy and a beautiful place to set your home. Let's keep walking out here to the main site. I've been out here several times, and I envision a house here. You'd probably be in the kitchen, living room area here. Out on the point is where I would put the dining room and the kitchen so that when you're entertaining, you got this fantastic view. Come on out this way. Watch your step here, Christy. And so we can give everybody an idea of what they're going to see here. This is just fabulous. Christy, come over this way so you can get a shot right down the lake. I'll kind of get out of your way. You're looking right down the main channel of Watts Bar Lake. You're looking down about, you can see almost 6 miles down that way. And as the season passes, the sunset for about 8 or 9 weeks of the year is going to be right out that way. The sunrise is out that way. It kind of goes this way, but this is the view you'd have. From here, the only houses you can see are all the way across the lake. There's no other houses you can see from here. It's total privacy. And we're only about 6 minutes to the Kroger Supercenter, the Roane County Regional Medical Center, and exit 350 Midtown Harriman, which is about, at that exit, you're about 20 minutes to the Caney Creek shopping area in West Knoxville. This is convenient to Oak Ridge. If you're maybe thinking coming into Oak Ridge for some of the jobs that are open up there, this would be a beautiful place to have a home. This is a brow lot. This has been priced at $154,900. The owner is having some health problems. He's going to sell one of these lots, the first one it sells, for $99,000. Call us. We can find a lake property that'll meet your dreams, and this may be one of them. I think this is a very exciting place. Thanks for watching our videos.